In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play two accounts on Roblox Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can use two accounts on the same mobile device to play Roblox. So, to do this, you will be able to switch between them natively. Just go to the More tab at the bottom right corner of the screen, and in here scroll down. You will be able to find the option to switch accounts. Immediately upon choosing switch accounts, you will be able to log into another one. So if you want to log in multiple different accounts on the same device, you can use the standard Roblox application to do this. You don't need anything special. You simply go here and you log into another account. Now, if you want to play two accounts at the same time, meaning that you have two Roblox players running and you join the experience, maybe the same experience with one account and another, then sadly this is going to be much more difficult. You will have to look into applications which are not official, and there's no guarantee that they are completely safe. You can look into applications like Island or Parallel, and essentially they will allow you to download another Roblox application and sign into another account. However, like I mentioned, they have a lot of limitations, and often they will only work on Android. You can only do two clones at most, and usually you won't be able to abuse this on most experiences. They will ban you if you are using alts or farming yourself, so keep that in mind. So I only recommend using it if you are completely aware of all of the limitations. But if you simply want to switch between different accounts, just go over here and then log into a pre-existing account. You will be able to have multiple accounts on the same device and switch between them freely. Once you have signed into multiple accounts, they will all be available and listed here, so you don't have to enter the password every single time. I hope I was able to help you on how to play two accounts on Roblox Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.